morning, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematician from SVEM School, Harinamara Camp. Dear students, this is class part 3 video for the 6th class, second chapter, that is whole numbers. Dear children, already we have discussed about the whole numbers, some properties like closure property on whole numbers, commutative property on whole numbers, weighted associative property on whole numbers. These contents we have studied. In our today class, dear children, we have to discuss about the associative property on multiplication over addition. Yes, this is the today content in our today class. Yes, this is the content in our class. Let us see. Yes, here what does your headline suggested that what we can do? According to that, your headline, what can we do? Associative property or associative on multiplication over on addition means, dear children, here addition also there, with that multiplication also there. Yes, let us see. Yes, example 1. Yes, example 1. Yes, suppose 1 plus 2 are 1 plus 2 into 3 is equals to 1. Yes, 1 plus 2 into 3. Yes, let us see, dear children. Here how can we do that? Here 1 plus 2 into 3, then 1 plus 2 into 3. Here associative property means, you should remember in your mind, it is the sum of 3 whole numbers, because we are dealing, the chapter is whole numbers now. That's why we have to choose only whole numbers in our associative property. Dear children, you know that very well. It's not necessary to once again repeat that whole numbers. Whole numbers means the number set which begins with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. I will, yes, here 1 is also whole numbers, 2 is also whole numbers, 3 is also whole numbers. Just to see 1 plus 2. Yes, 1 plus 2 we know that. Just make it ma. Here if I take, yes, bracket for these numbers. Yes, bracket for these numbers. Let us see what will happen. 1 plus 2. Yes, 3. Yes, 3. Yes, if I want to make it. Yes, plus for this one. Yes, plus for this one. Yes, 1 plus 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 into is also happening now. There is no possibility. Yes, make it better. You have to make it into. This also into. Yes, this also into. Yes, 1 to the is 2 into 3 as this. Then 1 has this. Here 2 into 3. Yes, also 6. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 into 6 means 6 1s are 6. This is old for good. This holds good for associative property on multiplication. Example 2, dears. Example 2, suppose A is equals to, directly I will take up yes. Suppose 4 into 5 into 6 is equals to 4 into 5 into 6. Bracket for first 4 and 5. Then in RHS side bracket for 5 and 6. Let us see, dear children. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 into 6 is equals to 4 as it is into 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Dear children, 26 are 120. 26 are 120. Yes, 26 are 120 is equals to 4 30s are also 120, dear children. Yes, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, dear friends, like this associative property on multiplication. Yes, second content in our today class, dears. Yes, variety of problems they can give, like as find or find the sum, find the value. Yes, find the product. Like that sums we have to see. Yes, first question is that find the sum. Find the sum 23 plus 16. Yes, 23 plus 16. Find the sum. Yes, they can give yours, or otherwise find the sum like this. With that also, yes, find the sum. This is right. There is no doubt at all. Yes, 23 plus 16. Yes, you know that very well. It is not necessary to tell again. Yes, I can write this as 20. How can I write it? 20 plus 3, 23. Yes, 20. Yes, 20 plus 3 plus this 16 I can write as, yes, 10 plus 6. Dear children, here one important thing is that suddenly we can add. It is the way of adding of numbers simply. Yes, now 20 plus 10, 30 plus 3, 33 plus 6, 39. Answer is how much, ma? 39. Here also we are getting same 39. Yes, see 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 1 3, 39. Both the way is right. But they are asking here, find the sum. They can give some numbers. Find the sum by using suitable property. Example 2, dears. Example 2. Find the product. Like as suppose 45 into 3. Yes, 45 into 3. Find the product. Dear children, you know that given sum is 45 into 3. Okay, 45 into 3. Let us see here. 40 I can write as 40 plus 5. Yes, 40 plus 5 over multiplication 3. Yes, you know that very well, my dear children. This is the property of distributive property. Here A into B plus C. You know that A into B plus A into C. This property holds good for the distributive property of 3 integers. Especially now in this case, these are the whole numbers. Yes, see. Yes, 3 into 40 plus 3 into 5 years. Now 3 40s are 120 plus 3 5s are 15. My dear children, 120 plus 15, 135. Answer is how much, ma? 135. If I make directly multiplication, that is also same. Let us see, dears. 3 5s are 15. 1 is carry for next number. 3 5s are 15. 5. 1 is carry for next number. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Yes, 135. Both the method are same. Not both the method, sorry. Both answer is same, but solving that given problems in different ways. This is the main view. Okay, yes. Let us see. Yes, next problem for this one. Problem second. Third problem, that is find the value. Yes, find the value by using suitable property. Yes. Third question is that find the value. Find the value of, yes, 103 into, yes, 23. Yes, they can give like that. Yes, 103 into 23. Find the value of 103 into 23. Yes, that given sum is that yours 103 into 23. I can write as 103 100 plus 3 into 23, dear children. Yes, I can write as 23 into 100 plus again 23 into 3 years. Yes, 23 one side 23, dear children. Then 2 zeros has is 23 one side 23, 2 zeros has is plus, yes, 23 3s are 69. 69 years. Here 2300 plus 69, 2369. That is the given sum is over. Yes. Like that, they can give you some problems to sum, to find the product like that. You have to solve the given sum by using the, yes, commutative property or distributive property or associative property or closure property. Yes, dear children, I think this is understood you. Yes, with this your 2.2 content is completed. Then remaining content related to the 2.3 we have to discuss in our next class. Thank you all. Bye.